A local high-profile defense attorney is now representing a high-profile client known as Hiccup Girl. 19-year-old Jennifer Mee is charged with first-degree murder after police say she lured a young man into a trap where he was robbed and then murdered. Our Carson Chambers joins us live at the Pinellas County Jail where Mee's being held without bond. So, Carson, what did her attorney have to say today?
Well, Linda, John Trevina told me he visited with Jennifer Mee here at the Pinellas County Jail last night. He says that she had been diagnosed with Tourette's syndrome in the past, and that was the cause for her hiccups. He also says that condition could end up being a defense, and that is not sitting well with the victim's ex-girlfriend. He said she was his first love, but when love didn't work out between 22-year-old Shannon Griffin and 23-year-old Rachel Hagedon, they became the next best thing, the closest of friends.
You know, he'd do anything for me, anything for the kids. You know, he was always there for me no matter what.
Hagedon says she helped Griffin get his GED, and he helped her with her 2 young children. And their friendship grew over the past year after the two met while working at a local Walmart.
You know, all he wanted to do was just meet people and go out and hang out. And look, he met somebody and now he's dead.
That somebody, according to investigators, was 19-year-old Jennifer Mee, who met Griffin online. St. Pete police say she lured Griffin into a trap at a house where 2 other men robbed and murdered him with a gun. Mee's defense attorney, John Trevina, tells me by phone that he's reaching out to state prosecutors to work out a plea deal, but declined to talk with us on camera. Hagedon says Mee doesn't deserve any breaks.
And I hope whatever happens and she gets whatever is coming to her. Because she took a very important person out of my life.
And Mee is being held here at the Pinellas County Jail without bond. A grand jury could be introduced to the case as early as Thursday morning. Live in Pinellas County, I'm Carson Chambers, ABC Action News.